Hey beauties, my name is Chanel. Today I'll be Channeling you guys up on this one, of course. Y'all know the deal, y'all know the drill. So we are getting into another headband wig today, you guys, and I am loving the color. So a lot of you guys know, you guys kind of pulled me into color because I'm such a plain Jane gal. Just that type of girl that stick to 1B ones. That was me. I had to branch out for you guys because you guys will always ask me, Chanel, could you please try this color? You guys really got me into the highlights. I tried it for you guys and I absolutely love it. I feel like this amongst with some blondes, like different blondes, like really complements my skin tone because I have that really deep, rich, deep complexion. So I do love it on me, and if you love like a good highlight hair, then girl, you're going to love this one. So go ahead and keep on watching to know more specs and deets about this one. Alright you guys, so as you guys see me style this one to different type of styles, and yes, these bands did come essentially with the wig, so you can go ahead and pick yours up along when you're picking the wig as well, so it just could come together. If you want like variety styles, I'll leave them listed down below, or you guys can go ahead and click onto Supernova's site and go ahead and see what others that they do have to offer. But they do have a large variety of options already, guys, just to let you guys know that. And then of course, as you guys heard me said it already, this gorgeous one is by Supernova, and girl, I am loving this one. So I have picked up hair from Supernova before. If you're new with me, I love their brand, I love their product. Their product is super affordable. If you ask me, it's really decent for the price. I do actually still have a lot of my Supernova wigs, so that just tells enough about, you know, as far as like their product and how well the quality is. So yeah, I do love their quality. This one that I do got in is their loose deep wavy half band wig. So like you guys see me style this one, it is a headband wig, and you just go ahead and apply these like little headband accessories over it, or you can go ahead and put your hair on top of it, or like just if you just don't mind the headband, the black headband, that you can just rock it like that. Either or can float your boat. Whatever floats yours floats mine, sis. There's no like right or wrong answer to this at all. The length that I do got it in is 26 inches, and she is very much so 26 inches, y'all. The color is super adorable. I got it in the color number 017. Now there is different type of colors that they do have to offer in this wig. I went ahead and picked up the 017 because I loved how the highlights look like placed in the picture, and that's exactly how it looks in person. I feel like I wanted it to be a little bit more brassy, if you know what I mean, just to give like a little bit more like fall look. I love like the orangey undertone in it, but I want it to be a little bit more brassy, a little bit more like cool tone, if you know what I mean. But I still love how it looks right now. They do have other colors that like pulls more so towards the cool side of the colors, like the cool tones. So if you are like, sis, this kind of looks a little bit too warm for me, I want it a little bit cool, then go ahead and, you know, just browse around through their colors, and they do have ones that are like a little bit more cool tone. I thought this one was gonna be like perfect between cool and warm, but it is, but it's a little bit more so warm. So if you love that, this is definitely giving Beyonce, sis. Like I love like this is super cute. The texture is definitely, as it says, loose wavy, and it goes all the way up to the top, so that's how you know it's like real good stuff. Because I feel like some products, they like it's wavy at the bottom, and then once you get to the roots it's like straight, so it's like you know. So I love that, and it goes all the way to the ends. The ends are super healthy. It's really frizzy and full right now because I just played with it. I did show you guys a clip of how it looks like wet. This is like 2 separate clips filmed in another time, but yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I was really rocking with the color, if I really actually love the color payoff. So yeah, before I went ahead and shared it with you guys, and I love it. I really do. I feel like it complements my skin tone so much, like you heard me already say before. Now as far as the cap, it is big head friendly, so I feel like it's versatile. Honestly, these headband wigs is really versatile for my gals out there. If you feel like you got a big head, this is one that you don't have to lean towards like, oh, getting the size right down, because it's essentially like a half wig. Other than that, y'all, this color payoff is super adorable. She's giving me so much fall. She's giving me Thanksgiving dinner. Like I should have wore like something like Thanksgiving dinner worthy, right? This is what she's giving, y'all. She is so cute, so fluffy. You can do so much with it. Put it up in a ponytail, half up, half down, if you don't mind the weft. And if you do a good job hiding the wefts, if you don't want to do that, you can do like a low ponytail. You could do a braid ponytail like I did. There's so much things you can go ahead and do with this hair. You can put your hair over it. You can wear it like this with your baby hairs out. Just make sure yours don't sweat out like mine did. There's so much things that you can do with it, y'all. I love it. I feel like Supernova did their thing with this one. You guys let me know what y'all think about her down below in the description bar. Let me know if you guys loving the color payoff and how the highlight is distributed on this one. I think it's cute, and the fact that it's on wavy hair, super perfect. I just feel like it gives more like of a umph and more so like a fall type vibe. But let me know what y'all think about her, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And like always, till next time, later.